Thank you very much, Jesse. A bumper harvest that had been projected this year indicates that farmer in the North Rift region may harvest up to 46 million bags. And now the bane of contention is where the farmers will store this year's produce and the last year's produce. Remember, some of the farmers were also rejected by the National Cereals and Produce Board, where they were told some of their maize that they delivered to the NCPB, they are not paid by the government. But now, just to paint a picture, we have farmers here in Uasin Gishu County talking about issues of the last year's maize, this year's crop, and the unending wars in the NCPB, and also that Mwangi Kiunjuri is now pointing an accusing finger to the DCI and the EACC.
Thank you, Alex Koskei. Kwa kweli kama wakulima tuko na mshangao kubwa sana, but before that ningependa kushukuru mtukufu rais sababu ya jambo ambayo alitaja juzi, alitaja neno nzuri kwamba wakulima walipwe, na kama wakulima tunasema asante sana sababu tumeona watu wetu wamelipwa tangu jana, hata leo watu wamelipwa, lakini sisi kama wakulima pia tungali tunalalamika sababu mpaka sasa hatujaambiwa mwelekeo. Tuko na mahindi kwa store ya mwaka jana, na sasa kuna mahindi yenye iko tayari shambani kule upande wa Moiben, upande wa Moisbridge, all the parts of this county, most of the parts apart from South constituency, wako na mahindi ambayo imekuwa tayari. So swali letu kwa serikali ni kwamba tutafanyaje kwa mahindi yenye iko shambani. Wakulima wametumia pesa zao, wameuza mashamba yao, wameuza ng'ombe, na mpaka sasa tujaambiwa bei, na bei yenye tumesikia kwa umbali hatujaridhishwa kwa wakulima. Bei ambayo tunahitaji, tunataka bei ya shilingi 3,500 sababu mahindi mafuta iliongezwa, dawa iliongezwa, na tukiambiwa bei ya 1,000 na kitu, kama wakulima hatujaridhishwa hata kidogo. So naomba kabisa serikali Kiunjuri tafadhali awache kusukuma shida, mbali tutafutiwe total solution.
Haya, kwa kifupi tu kuhusiana na wewe, umesikia kwamba wamesema mambo ya bei, lakini kumekuwa na haya labda malumbano kwenye halmashauri ya NCPB pamoja na wizara husika.
Kwanza kwa majina naitwa Raf Kolum, mkulima kutoka Uasin Gishu. Chambo nitaanzia ni kwamba asante sana kwa mtukufu rais, nena alionena yametimizwa, angalau sio kwa watu wote. Kuna watu wachache nafikiri pesa inaingia polepole, na tunataka Kiunjuri akilipa haya pesa walipe pia sio kwa watu wa chini peke yao, walipe pia matajiri wetu, sababu hawa ndio tegemeo. Tunategemea watulimie mashamba, tunategemea tuko na shida. Kwa hivyo tunataka pesa ilipwe across the board. Na cereals tafadhali rais wetu mpendwa, keep authority to Mr. Mwangi Kiunjuri afungulie sisi store nakala ya serikali, National Cereals and Produce Board, immediately, because maize are ready, we have harvested, we have sold, and it's ready for market. Thank you.
Asante sana, tuweze kusikia kwa mkulima mais.
First of all, we are very thankful to the head of state. We have been here since January, and he has adhered to what we have been complaining about. We are very, very, very thankful. We are also very thankful to the Minister for Agriculture, Honorable Kiunjuri, because he showed concern yesterday. Although he was saying the back stops at anti-corruption, instead of dealing with that personally, he went to cry before the press. We wanted him to face the anti-corruption himself and make sure that these things are speeded up. Our main problem now, our minister, we don't have to go to the president now. The president has done his job. He has set aside.
All right, our reporter Elvis Koskei obviously giving us a true picture of the status of farmers on the ground from Eldoret. As we've just had, a lot is happening. Yes, some farmers are already getting their pay as directed by the Cabinet Secretary, Mwangi Kiunjuri, but obviously a lot still happening in terms of the latest harvest being ready, yet the NCPB stores are almost full. Now, obviously, the Council of Governors are among various stakeholders who gave their input into this particular maize crisis in the country. Among the proposals they highlighted is the immediate mandatory rollout of the National Farmers Registration, as well as county governments to play a key role. Now, obviously, they mentioned as well the funds for maize purchase and fertilizer subsidy to be given to counties as conditional grants. They also highlighted that the National Cereals and Produce Produce Board, NCPB, and the ministry should develop a strategy to ensure that all the maize in the store is sold to create space for the new crop. Obviously, this is one of the reasons why farmers are calling upon the ministry and NCPB to act swiftly since the new crop is ready to be harvested. Well, they also highlighted that the national government should urgently fund repair of all dryers and enhance grain storage capacity to last the country for 34 years. Now, these are some of the proposals by the Council of Government on the maize crisis. Obviously, they also raised this in concerns that the maize glut in the country has been caused due to the importation of maize. They also raised the fact that the National Cereals and Produce Board stores are almost full, yet time for harvest is nigh. They also raised that local farmers might be facing losses due to this particular move.